OrthoMENA is a small clinic in the heart of the UAE. We're here in Jumeirah 1, and we're pretty well known, but I think we're one of the best kept secrets in Dubai. We facilitate full scope orthotics and prosthetics. I like to say nose to toes. Any form of disability, be that a limb loss or some form of device, if you've got a weakness or paralysis, this is the best place, if not in the region, but globally, to get your orthotic and prosthetic care. Our manufacturing capability is on campus. It means our manufacturing is done right next to the clinic. That means we are cost effective, we are efficient, and we are patient focused. You can see it's a regular clinic area where we are able to do gait analysis, where we can walk patients, where we can do early fittings of the device. We do a huge amount of pediatric patients as well as adult patients. We are renowned for really treating the tough cases, specifically amputees with very short stumps. So if you have an amputee and he's got a very challenging case, we like to be known as that care facility that they can come to. Patients are actually digitally scanned, and we make use of CAD/CAM to get the patient impression. We are just proud and we are grateful that the UAE gives us this opportunity.